showers and thunderstorms until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springfield, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Look at this, unrecognized.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, London, Troutdale Lake, Harmony, Brighton, Lafayette, South Vienna, Catawba, Buck Creek State Park,
Get some light.
Route 29 and State Route 38, Interstate 70 and State Route 56, New Moorfield and Plattsburgh. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 56 and 78.
Jeez. No! Go to channel 4, it's not toning on here.
For the following counties in Ohio, cold and rain. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 433, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Holmes and Wayne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable to our
What the fuck is this?
lows in the mid-60s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
What the?
Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible weather. To NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm 2 miles an hour. Issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Holmes and Wayne. The current time. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Clark County, west central Madison County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southeast of Springfield, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, South Charleston, Troutdale Lake, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, South Vienna, Clifton, Pigeon, Springfield Municipal Airport, and Plattsburgh.
Oh, this one reads.
This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 53 and 73.
It's a second late activation. Well, right as I said, there wasn't one. There is one. That is very weird timing, I guess you can call that.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Jefferson, moving east at 20 miles an hour.
Oh wow.
Hazard, 60 miles
Dark
an hour.
clouds
wind
scary
gusts
this
and
way.
quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Berkeley, Jefferson, West Jefferson.
Oh my god, it's hot. What if I just threw my phone?
Madison Lake, Darnydale, and Bay Plains. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 79 and 103. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 86 and 109. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio.
Strong thunderstorm.
Columbus, Ohio.
Fayette, Clark, Green, Madison.
National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Jackson, and Benson counties.
Oh no, the chair fell.
Values.
There we go.
Madison County until 7:45 p.m.
Do it.
At 6:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dresden, 7 miles north of Zanesville, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, Cambridge, New Concord, Yesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Frizeisberg, Pleasant Grove, Conesville, Plainfield, and Norwich. Here is a special weather statement for the following county: Muskingum, Ohio.
Oh, flash flood warning. That's nice. First ever flash flood warning.
The
I ever
National
missed.
Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for central Madison County, southeastern Clark County until 11 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
I haven't done a
Source,
flash flood
radar.
warning in a while. Oh my
Impact,
god.
flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
there we go.
urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Springfield, London, South Charleston, Charles Lake, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, Lafayette, South Vienna, Newport, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, Plattsburgh, Madison Lake, Big Plain, Lily Chapel, and Buck Creek State Park. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Diamonds Direct.
Go to our website and weather. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for central Madison County, southeastern Clark County until 11 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
Well, it is an unfortunate thing that I lost the rest of that clip due to memory loss and stuff.